There's a hawk that just flew by him. You saw that? Usually about 1:30, but I'll look him up at 20 if you want. This is kind of creepy. You see. What the hell is he eating? I don't know about you, but I think these guys' faces are a little bit freaky. And how often do you see one of these things just chilling on someone's roof in a suburban neighborhood? That sound you just heard was a recording of a rabbit distress call, and that's what started this whole thing. All of a sudden, there was 4 to 6 vultures that just started flying around over my house, and this is one of the guys who got the closest to my camera. I ain't gonna lie, these things are a little intimidating. They are just so huge. It's unbelievable. Especially when you see them flying in the air with up to a 70-inch wingspan. It's unreal. So, I cut this video down to about 6 minutes, but the original video was about 25-30 minutes of him just straight grooming himself. If you've never seen one of these guys up close, it is a serious adrenaline rush. Just being in their presence gets your blood pumping. Just imagine one of these huge vultures being so close to you, and if that thing came straight at you, what are you gonna do? It's not like you can outrun it. I really don't know a whole lot about turkey vultures, but do any of you guys have any idea why he would keep opening his mouth but no sound comes out? Maybe he's tired? I have no idea. Into our yard, by the way, next to my grandpa's boat and over the fence, but I didn't catch it, and then all of a sudden, these crazy things showed up. Yeah. Oh, yeah, no, I was playing pause, and then I saw. I don't think the hawk landed because of the vultures. Now there's 3 on the gray roof and 1 on the owl house.
Either they heard the noise and they're like looking around to find it, or there's somebody's cat got ran over the street.
Maybe. The guy in the owl house is grooming himself, and then he keeps opening his mouth like he's yawning. There's no sounds coming out. I don't know.
No, they don't operate together.
Well, I mean, do you think...
Buzzards don't touch each other.
No, I know, but do you think that a hawk would be, like, intimidated to be that was a hawk that went here. It was a lot smaller, and the vultures were here, already here. He was kind of like, no, never mind. I'm sorry, I'm going inside. I'm coming inside. I got great footage. I'm sorry. Oh, there's a brown-headed cowbird. Might get a hawk. He's like really grooming himself. Thanks for being a part of this experience with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see what's to come.